Sueño House Model. Dito po sa Legacia by Dolmar Land, located sa Baliwag City, Bulacan. Single attached po ito. Hindi kasama ang fence and gate sa turnover. Meron tayong provision for carport, provision for service area. Pwede itong i-landscape dito pero hindi siya kasama sa turnover. Meron tayo ditong provision for lanai. We have access door dito. Ito yung ating main door. Meron tayong sliding window. And napakaganda ng ating facade. So pasok tayo. Of course, sliding door leading sa ating lanai. Meron tayong storage room. Yan. Andito yung ating living area. This side. Access door papunta sa inyong carport and service area. Kitchen space. Nandito yung inyong CR number 1. Stairs. Meron tayong awning window. Spacious naman yung lapad ng stairs. Meron tayong sliding window dito. CR number 2. And we have here bedroom number 1. And master's bedroom. There you go. Message lang po mga kabahay for details, sample computations, reservations requirements, and property viewing schedules.